Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and today we're going to be making burgers, mushroom burgers, alkaline spelt hamburger buns, and butternut squash fries. So I'm going to show you guys what we have already because we kind of started cooking. So far we have already started, we pretty much finished making the spelt hamburger buns. We used Ty's Koch's kitchen recipe, and we're just preheating our oven to 350 and we're going to let them cook for 25 minutes. I'm going to insert a little bit of clips of us making it, but basically it's spelt flour and a bunch of seasoning, some sea moss gel, and oh, I forgot to put the oil and the sesame seeds on top.
You could do it before we put them in the oven. No ball me taking me off. Damn, beat you.
And yeah, so I've never made them before, so hopefully they turn out well. I also have some butternut squash fries right here. I think I might try and cook them in the skillet this time. Last time I didn't film it, but I cooked them in the oven, and to me they just get soft really fast, so I might try to cook them in the skillet so I can, I don't know, kind of maybe get them to stay crispy. I'm also going to be making some onion rings on the side, so my cousin is just cutting up some onion. Whoa, you're supposed to leave it in the ring. It's onion rings. It's supposed to be
But no, we didn't have a whole onion. It was.
Why didn't you just? Because we don't have no whole white onion?
Yeah, I didn't know if you wanted
so
a
we
red
got
onion.
half onion rings. We got half a ring onion rings, and we going to work on that too. Okay, these are to go in the oven for 25 minutes. So, take that one. Okay, so starting on the burger, my plan is to use these baby bella mushrooms, this king oyster mushroom, bell peppers, and onions. Now I would like to add oyster mushrooms in the mix too, but we didn't have any and I didn't really feel like going to the store to get them, so I'm just going to use these two. This is just an experiment anyway. Oh, and some sea moss gel. Let me get that too. Okay, so this is a sea moss gel. If you don't know anything about sea moss gel is one of the, well, sea moss in particular is a herb that Dr. Sebi talks about a lot. It has 92 of the 102 minerals of the body, and I think he consumed it the most as like sea moss tea, but you can cook with it in like multiple different ways. And my friend on Instagram, Alkaline Creole, she makes her burgers and she says she puts in sea moss, and she said she puts sea moss in her I guess like patty mixture to help it stick together, because if you ever try to make alkaline burgers, they don't stick together like real burgers. So we're gonna test this out. This is me freestyling as usual, so we're just gonna see how it's gonna work out. I also forgot to add that usually when I make the burger mix, I just throw everything into the food processor and boom boom bam, we be good. But sorry to put you out there, mom. My mom, she broke the food processor, so now I don't really know what to do. I don't really want to chop all this up, you feel me? Maybe I could put it in my blender. I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna figure it out. Okay, so I chopped everything up into just smaller sizes just so it could be easier to blend. But I forgot that we made something. Oh, we made some jerk chicken the other day, and we used portobello caps. And I forgot we scraped the little, like the gills or the black colored stuff that's underneath the bottom of the caps. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this too, because portobello mushrooms are, you know, like kind of thick, kind of firm. So I'm hoping like I can use this, and this might help to firm up the patties as well. So I'm going to combine all of these, try to get it processed down as small as I can without it being mushy, so I can make patties with it. Okay, so I processed everything down the best that I could in my blender. Still a few big chunks in there, but that's okay. For the most part, everything is, you know, pretty small and stuff. So now I'm going to add in the sea moss. Oh, I forgot to add, if you would like to purchase some sea moss, you can purchase your sea moss from a company called Vital Vegan Inc. Use my code HEALTHYASH at checkout and it will give you a small discount, but it'll also be supporting me. I will leave the link to it down below, and you can just get to it that way. So if you want to purchase some sea moss, look in the description box. Also, to make our patties, obviously we're going to need to season it, and we're going to need some spelt flour to help it hold together as well. And our hamburger buns are done. Oh, it's hot. Ooh. Let's see. Okay. I think it's hard to get spelt flour to rise even with the sea moss gel. But we're gonna let these cool off. And I know I said I was gonna put my butternut squash I said I was gonna put my butternut squash fries in the skillet, cook them in the skillet, but to be honest, I already have to cook the burger patties and the onion rings in the skillet, and I'm kind of being lazy, so I'm gonna season these up and put these in the oven. I'm just gonna try my best to watch them so they don't get soft too quickly. I'm gonna drizzle a little grape syrup on here. Season it with some sea salt. Ooh, okay, why does sea salt gotta come out like this? This sea salt tweaking. What am I gonna do with these big old holes? Trying to give me high blood pressure. This is some onion powder. You know I gotta do the little cayenne. You know I like my spice. And some basil. So I'm just going to toss these together and just put them in the oven. Okay, so I seasoned my patty mixture, sea salt, onion powder, cayenne, and basil. I'm gonna add in a little bit of flour. This is spelt flour. I don't know how much I'm putting in there. And I think I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sea moss gel. Okay, this is my tablespoon of sea moss gel. Now I'm gonna just mix. Come on. I'm just gonna mix everything up and start forming my patties. So I have my skillet here going for the patties. I'm gonna start I'm gonna start forming the patties and putting them in the skillet. I have my skillet for the onion rings warming up here, and my butternut squash fries are still in the oven. I would just do one because I low-key kind of want to see how this one gonna turn out. Okay, little sea moss, y'all see that I flipped? They ain't even break apart or nothing. Let me find out. Sea moss the plug. Oh, what? Okay, I just want y'all to know the only reason I'm having trouble is not the burger, but this my left hand. Okay, little patty pat. Just want y'all to know, usually by the time I flip the burger, it already done fell apart. Like, as soon as I do like this or something like that, try to get underneath it with the what's this called? With the spatula, it's already falling apart. So this is a miracle right here. I think this is Jesus in the flesh. I just realized I didn't even explain to y'all what was going on with the onion rings. But basically, if you see me make fried oyster mushrooms, you have a dry batter and you have a wet batter. It's spelt flour based, and you just season it with salt, oregano, onion powder, and probably some cayenne. In the wet batter, you put Perrier water. In the dry batter, obviously you leave it as is. You take your onion rings, you put in the dry batter, put in the wet batter, put it back in the dry batter, then you put it back in your skillet. This is probably not the healthiest way to cook it because of the oil. We do have an air fryer, we just never use it, so like we don't know how to use it. We gonna figure it out one day, but you know, I don't know if you can make these in the oven, possibly, but we just gonna cook them in the skillet for today. I'm actually kind of scared to like taste them, just because like even though they held together very well, they still don't look like regular burgers. I don't know how it's gonna taste. I don't know. I've made burgers before. I don't know why I'm nervous this time. Maybe because this is the first time I made it on camera, so it's like if it's nasty, I gotta tell y'all it's nasty. I'ma taste it. Hold on. Okay, so these are my hamburger buns. I just cut it in half. This one's gonna be the top because it has little sesame seeds on it. What should I put down first? Well, I'm gonna put down some lettuce first. Put down some lettuce. You know, you gotta have your greens. Brush it. Lettuce. Gonna take my burger patty and put it right here. Damn, what else we gonna put on here? I have some tomato. I'm gonna put some tomato. Should I put some avocado on here, to be honest? I'm kind of finicky about avocado, so I'm gonna leave that one off. Okay. She look a little. Oh, I forgot about the red onions. I'm gonna put some onion rings on here too, some barbecue sauce, like Burger King got. That's what I spray. Slap some red onions on here. That's enough? Yeah, that's enough. I'm gonna have onion bread. Takes one of these little onion rings. Ooh. I mean, these onion. What shape is this?
A spear.
No, a spear is a closed circle.
A semicircle.
Okay, I'm about to eat one of these onion semicircles. Or I'm about to eat one of these half moon onion rings. Ooh, it's hot. Oh. Okay, so these are my butternut squash fries. You know what? I just don't understand butternut squash at this point. Like, they're just mad disrespectful. They don't act like potatoes or sweet potatoes or nothing. They stupid. They don't act like fries. I wanted some damn fries and they freaking soft. But you know what? It's cool. You know, they still taste good if you season them right. They just not hard or crunchy like fries would be. I guess they're not starchy, but I'm gonna still eat them. So I'm gonna take some. It's still kind of hot. I'm gonna put them on my plate with my burger. You can't see your hand. Alright, and then I'm going to put some in the onion rings, take some from the bottom, and put them right here, and bon appetit. What y'all think? I'm just asking y'all what y'all think. I ain't even tried a burger yet. Let me stop playing. Let me eat a little piece of it, see how it tastes. Have my little burger piece right here. Still slightly gummy, a little mushy, but way better than all the other times I tried to make burger. Like I said, they wouldn't even stay together like that. If I tried to flip them, they was falling apart, they was crumbling. Even if when I just tried to rip the piece off it, the whole patty would have just crumbled and fell apart. But I think the sea moss really helped. Probably using the king oyster mushroom helped too, because it has a firmer texture. I would keep experimenting with the recipe until I get it exactly how I want it. But it's just pretty good to me. I kind of like it. It's really a big improvement. I wish it was, you know, like amazing, like perfection, but you know, we gotta work our way up though. So I am going to enjoy my dinner for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.